Want to capture more leads and boost conversions? Hashbar pop-up campaign gives you everything you need to create high-converting pop-ups. Let's explore what you can do. Skip the design work with our template library. Choose from professionally designed layouts for lead capture, sales, or announcements. Just select, customize, and you're live in seconds. Place your message anywhere with 7 position options. Use center modals for impact, corner slide-ins for subtlety, or full-screen takeovers and side panels for a bold statement. Make your message pop. Easily add headings, descriptions, and CTA buttons. Use the visual editor to create custom content with text formatting, images, and shortcodes exactly how you want it. Need more? Embed forms from HT, contact form, CF7, WP forms, or even shortcodes directly into your pop-up. Build forms fast with our built-in builder. Choose from 11 fields like phone, drop-downs, and date pickers. Plus, connect to MailChimp to sync your leads automatically. Create instant urgency. Choose from fixed, evergreen, or recurring timers. With unique styles like inline or circular, you'll drive sales with the power of FOMO. Boost sales with one-click coupons. Your visitors can copy discount codes instantly. Choose from 4 stunning styles, including ticket vouchers and modern gradients. Create stunning brand-matched designs instantly using professional styles and backgrounds. For total creative control, use the custom CSS editor to build a unique look that fits your brand perfectly without limits. Timing is everything. Trigger your pop-up based on time delay, scroll depth, user inactivity, or element click to catch visitors at the perfect moment. Target the right audience with precision. Show your pop-ups on specific pages, target devices like mobile or desktop, and choose to show them only to guests or logged-in users. Prevent pop-up fatigue by controlling how often they appear. Show them once per session, once a day, or set a custom limit to keep your user experience smooth. Automate your campaigns with advanced scheduling. Set exact start and end dates for flash sales, holiday promotions, or limited time offers. Your pop-ups go live and expire exactly when you need them. Make your pop-ups grab attention with smooth animations. Choose from fade, zoom, bounce, or flip effects for both entry and exit. Track your success with our built-in analytics dashboard. Monitor views, clicks, and conversion rates in real time to see what's working best. Stop guessing and start optimizing. Use A/B testing to compare different headlines or offers and let the data find your highest converting variation. Ready to scale? From lead capture to powerful analytics, Hashbar has it all. Start building smarter pop-ups today and watch your conversion rates soar. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.